Releasing dopamine, dopamine.
What's up, guys? What's up? Coming in the building, like, comment, and subscribe. Wagwan peeps, are we there with another banger? But as usual, guys, right before we get tonight, just remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe because it really help out the Jamaica YouTuber for sure. But anyway, peeps, stop. One big up all fathers out there. Yeah, big up yourself, the real father then. You know what I mean? I have to big up my father in heaven. Big up yourself, Father God. You're the real father of my life. The only father of my life. But anyway, peeps, no more itching. Right into it. Alright, peeps. Make we kick off the first video now.
We ostracize and whoever did that, it was not funny. All right, just because classes are online does not mean I will tolerate pranks.
Mrs. Baxter, you had us all on mute. Yeah.
That's enough of your jokes. One of you.
No, Miss Baxter, we could all see plain as day that we all had our mute icon. You were the only one with the sound on. So.
Fine. You guys may have pulled this one over on me this time.
Miss Baxter, your box literally turns green every time you make a sound, so we know that it's you that has the bubble guts.
Yo, my dad, I want him, I can't tell him, man, them in a brother. The soon I take the girl, them, I want to looking at the girl, them phone, and look on the name savers, because see, a man a give a girl some blood clot like a while ago, lad. But then when the man a be girl, you know the girl save the man name as in her phone, free food. Oh! Free food. The man a give some blood clot like throat hard, I'm not lying.
Yo, we can't tell you about that. Alright, one thing you're wrong for beat her still. We don't condone it. No woman abuse around here. No abuse, none at all. But no a virgin. We save a girl number as KFC. Real meds. KFC. The man save her name as.
Day.
Huh?
I wish I have a girlfriend one day.
You could be my boyfriend.
Oh, really?
Yeah. You can be my boyfriend if you want. I don't talk to my boy. I talk to each one of my boyfriends. They have a different day that I'll talk to them. So my two boyfriends, if I talk to one two days a week, and the other one 2 days a week. They take turns.
Oh! Wow, okay. I understand. Do you have a WhatsApp?
Huh?
You said you have WhatsApp?
Yeah, I have Cash App.
No, I mean WhatsApp.
Cash App?
WhatsApp. As in, we can chat.
App. Yeah, I have Cash App.
Hold on, I don't mean Cash App. I mean WhatsApp number. Can I have your number or no?
Cash App? Yeah, you can get my number through Cash App.
You don't get what I mean.
No, I'm not understanding.
Can I have your number so I can test you?
Why are you doing your hands like this as if I'm retarded?
No, just nothing.
Cash App? Or you mean like Zelle? Yeah, I take Zelle too.
You understand?
Maybe I'm not understanding. What part of
Dog, you know she said the girl a go round you. Stop act like a yamed. Lower. A bus. Yo, you know whether they are country and a one bus run like 6 o'clock in the morning, you have to wait and 8:30 or 9 o'clock for the next one, and the single bus. There they are. Everybody when it comes 6 o'clock, I rush out to catch that one bus there. Cause you know say if it left you, you know. Your dog near me so in a youth. My youth, where's I hear see that? I want to ask you one question. You're not afraid the water take you away and bring you in one drainage area next? You're not afraid of skin disease and wingworm or ringworm or whatever they want to call it? Brother, where you come from? Oh hell no! Well, no see what? Yo! The man that I wedding opposed to the wife, and this man come and we just run, which is the ex. Boss a kiss for she. I run gun. The man was.
Look at this dude.
Tonight. Oh, baby.
No.
Just a kiss. Tonight.
I got a question for you, Dad. Would you rather A, be quarantined with mom for another 30 days, or B?
Oh!
For what text? Hell, fart. Fucking shit.
B.
He don't even know what it is. He just saying it, nigga.
Or get my teeth yanked out. B.
He just saying that shit.
The man tired of you, miss. You stress him out. Coronavirus and get to the husband them. Yo, the man never hear the second man that say B. But he didn't. B. Yeah, you about to kill me. Them say who feels it knows it. A him wife. Guess the man just can't put up with enough things too. I know so to be honest still. If she probably be honest too, she would not probably say she can't be too, even though she not hear what BB is. But boy, it rough. You know, for some people, them love corona, and then for some, the man just can't take it no more. Me see, I stress out the man. Alright then, peeps. So, them there just couple video what my drop, peeps. Me know I kinda did ease up on the video them and thing, peeps. To be honest and tell you the truth, the burnout, me never have no vibes, none at all. And the thing is, peeps, me can always take videos and just upload and put up, but I don't want it be a thing where I just a fling up video. If me enjoy the content or if it funny or me feel say una gonna like it, that's when I upload. You know what I mean? I just want to just upload just for upload. So if I not enjoy it, I not want to put it out there still, but I really do this for una still, because I know enough people I look out for the video them, you know? Like Anita and couple other people still, you know? So yeah, I just really just do that, peeps. And also more time it's just short and content, the type of content I know who I like, and you guys who are my audience who I gravitate to. And me just try focus man, get my strength up, guys, and build a vibes so I can come back and go hard. I have a couple other things I want to do, peeps, but I try get some rest too and things. So I beg you if you just bear with me little and thing. Yeah, just pray for me and let me know what I go on in the comment. There's any word of encouragement, because one time it rough still, especially the restriction, but me I try my best to work with it and thing and just rest and just get my strength up and just clear my mind so I can just boom bang bang. You know what I mean, peeps? But just comment down below, let me know what I go on. Yeah, and thanks for watching and just go on journey with your boy. Ashoo!
The slim and trim, you know you can bend up, do anything. Can't do the dance if you a stuffed chicken, you have to murder.